Hey there, McAllister from Toasty DIY, and I'm just going to be here today to show you how to use Quixel Bridge with Unreal Engine 5. Just a quick, easy, and simple one. Try to be less than a couple minutes. So here we go. All right, so the first step to using Quixel Bridge is in your select mode. You want to go ahead here and go to Quixel Bridge. So this library is completely free to anyone using Unreal Engine 5. If you're trying to do it on Unity or another development software, you can go to Quixel's website and use their mega scans, but it is free if you're using Unreal Engine 5. You just sign in through your Epic Games account or through a Google account. So here I found a environment that they've already put together. As you see, curated set of 50 plus arid wasteland assets for gnarled wood, dusty rocks, all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and download some of these. I'm gonna show you just kind of what each item is and why you might want to download it, and then what quality you want to do. So the first thing to note is these ball looking ones are materials. You can use these to color different objects or do things like that. So if I want to make the ground there look as if it were made of soil dirt, I could download this texture. You have quality options from low, medium, high to highest. Essentially from low quality, you're going 1K, to medium 2K, 4K, and then nanite you're at 8K. You do not really need nanite objects in your thing. That's really just for, if you're gonna go super high end, you're making movies and things like that, you could do that. For just gaming especially, you only need about low to medium or maybe high quality on a very important person, texture, object, or thing. Other than that, you have objects like the rock here, and you'll see this will probably have the nanite quality of 8K. We're only gonna be quality in this, that's 1K texture. That'll be just fine for what we're trying to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and download a few of these materials and textures and objects, and then I'm gonna show you how to get them into your level. First, you'll sign in. All right, once you're signed in, you'll notice the bottom right here will change to just a download button, and you want to make sure you're selecting the right quality before you download anything. So I'm going to go ahead and get a couple of these. Sorry if it's being a little laggy. So like soil dirt, I'm going to go ahead and download, and I'll grab this tree branch here. So now that I have those downloaded, they're on my computer, but in order to get them into my environment, my scene, I can't just grab them. So I'll go ahead here to local, and now I see where they are, and I can go ahead and hit add, and boom, it's going to add it to my content browser. Now by hitting Control Space, you can bring up your content browser, and you'll see a folder in your content browser now called Megascans. Expand out Megascans, you'll see now that I have the rock, I have the tree branch, and I have the soil and dirt. So let me go ahead and drop a few of them in there so you can see them. So now that they're in my scene, I simply just drag them out from there, and I can drop them in my scene. You'll notice I changed this thing's texture to soil dirt. I went ahead and added the tree branch, and I added the rock, and they're all in there. So that's the real quick and easy way to add the stuff. You can go through and edit anything from the textures to the height map, whatever you want. Just feel free, go through and have fun. This is an awesome feature. Enjoy yourselves.